Hello, everyone. It is my pleasure to welcome you to the Exhibitor Forum section at ASI 2020 Digital Conference. This is Minglong Liang from Inspur. I'm the Business Development Manager for Europe AI and HPC market. Today, I will take around 20 minutes to talk about what products that Inspur is providing to the Europe AI and HPC market. Before introducing the specific product solution, I would like to share a little bit of information about Inspur. Inspur is a leading cloud computing and AI HPC solution vendor for a very long time, providing flexible infrastructure and diverse computing hardware, powerful software tools, and optimization of multi-industry applications for customers. According to IDC and Gartner report, Inspur keeps number 3 in terms of server shipment globally, and AI server market share ranks number 1 in China for 3 consecutive years, which has exceeded 50% of the China market. On the ranking of top 500 supercomputers in ISE 2019, Inspur takes the top 3 vendor share. How does Inspur get to here and the achievement? Obviously, Inspur has invested a lot in product development and work very closely with our partners, Intel, NVIDIA, and so on. We have 4 R&D centers and 6 manufacturer centers and 2 call centers globally. Our EU manufacturing center is located in Hungary, which started to be operation from the first half of 2019. In addition to building local Europe factory in Hungary, our team is also growing rapidly in order to better serve European customers. At present, our EU headquarters is located in Stuttgart, Germany, and we also have sales team in some other countries. Now we are going to the details information about our products. Inspur is committed to developing a comprehensive solution for the HPC market by pursuing a solid AI HPC product line with innovative architecture, including a wide range of hardware, software platforms, and application optimization services for the customers. The products of the solution architecture shown in the slides. For high-density computing servers, we have from the most compact server with 1U to the 2U 4 nodes and 4U 8 nodes, and also we have Intel Cascade Lake APA with both air cooling and water cooling. For the acceleration requirements of big data analysis and intensive computing in scientific computing field, we provide the most diverse GPU servers with extreme performance and distinctive design, utmost flexibility, excellent scalability. Besides the comprehensive hardware systems, Inspur has invested a lot to develop advanced software solutions to help customers maximize their cluster efficiency and improve work efficiency, such as the first one on top of the slide from the left side, cluster engine. The cluster engine, the management and monitoring system, it enables comprehensive and integrated management of a cluster, HPC clusters, including hardware monitoring, job management, HPC, and big data applications management, and user account and billing management, greatly improving resource utilization of the entire HPC system with virtualization dashboard. The second one is the HPC application feature monitoring and analysis platform, TI. By analyzing the usage of system resources, when HPC applications running on the cluster and reflecting the running characteristics of applications in real time. TI helps customers to locate the performance bottlenecks, thus providing clear guidance for system optimization, application sequence optimization, and application algorithm debugging and improvement to achieve maximizing the computing power potential of applications on existing cluster. The third one, AutoML Suite, is the automatic machine learning module generation platform based on virtualized operation of the GPU cluster. It has 4 features: visualized operation. The users only need 6 steps: job citing, data upload, module search, module training, module evaluation, and module deployment to build an optimal neural network model for machine learning tasks and obtain high precision. The second feature is automatic generation of CV model. Classifications and regression model are generated automatically by reinforcement learning, and it can support both of supervised learning and unsupervised learning. Flexible deployment. AutoML is the world's first product supporting both on-premise and cloud dual mode deployment in minutes level. Another important feature of AutoML is that it can support the parallel operation of multi-servers and GPU cards, greatly shortening the time of module search and module training. The last software tool on the top right side is AI Station. This platform is a AI training and inference development platform. Due to limited time today, I would only introduce more detailed information on this one in the later slide. Now, I will introduce a little bit more specification of some of the products. Here, these are the high-density servers. The first one is 1U computing server equipped with 2 sockets to meet high-density demand, but also the largest storage capacity. The second one is 2U Phonos high-density server I-24, which very cost efficiency needs for computing intensive HPC workloads. The third one, high-density and multi-node server, is I-48 with very unique design and extreme flexibility. It can be deployed in a 4U chassis with 8 different types of dual-socket nodes to meet high computing performance, flexible expansion, large storage, and other requirements. The configuration of I-48 is extremely flexible. It can be 4U 8 nodes, 4U 4 nodes, and also 4U 2 nodes to meet high computing, large storage, or balanced demand in between. The unique features of I-48 is hybrid deployment of high computing and large storage node types with a stable and reliable and fully redundant design. Through flexible multi-node design and unified power supply and heat dissipation, the total power consumption and single node cost will be significantly reduced. In order to meet the high-performance computing and AI requirements of different scenarios and scales, Inspur provides as many kinds of GPU servers as possible. These are the main GPU products that are available for the current M5 platform. From the left side, the first one is enough 5-80 M5 equipped with 4 GPUs like V100. There are a few different topologies to meet different kinds of requirements. The most common one is balanced architecture with PCIe direct connection between CPU and GPU to achieve the best performance and computing power of the GPUs. The second one, EGX2, is the world's highest density 2U8 GPU server enabled with NVLink, which targets for the high performance computing workloads and saves power and rack space. And PCIe GPUs are also supported on EGX2 with PCIe version chassis. The next one, 4U8 GPU server, NF5468M5 supports up to 8 V100 GPUs, both of NVLink and PCIe version, and scores 9.5 on SoftHome website. It really targets for some of the specific scientific computing like data analytics and life science because of the large storage we have in the box. The fourth one, NF5488M5, is really unique GPU server with NVSwitch technology, targeting for the requirements with extreme low latency between the GPU interconnection of each other. It is the highest end 8 Tesla V100 GPU on the market now, using 8 SXM3 GPUs in 4U chassis, which scores 9.6 on SoftHome website. The next one, EGX5. It is one of the most powerful AI server equipped with 16 NVIDIA Tesla V100 GPUs based on NVIDIA HGX2 platform with NVSwitch interconnect fabric, providing incredibly powerful AI computing performance with 2 petaflops. In addition to these GPU servers mainly utilized in high-performance computing acceleration and AI training scenarios, we do have some other special machines for AI inference. The same chassis in NF5468M5 that I introduced in the earlier products also could be equipped with 20 T4, the NVIDIA inference GPU card. So the single machine can be using both training and inference tasks. And the NF5480M5V equipped with 8 T4 GPU cards is widely used in video surveillance and analysis. The last one in the NE5-60M5, which is designed for edge scenario, optimized for safe and reliable operations in edge environment. It can also be used as a head node to drive an accelerator expansion box with suitable retimer adapters. In this page here, there are 2 kinds of multi-socket machines that targeting for mission-critical applications and industries such as finance, telecom, government, energy, transportation, etc., where performance and reliability are critically important. The left one, NF8480M5, is a high-end 4-socket server. It is ideal for in-memory database, data analysis, virtual machine, and data-intensive applications. The right one, TS860M5, is the most powerful 8-socket server on the market. It adopts industry-leading high-speed interconnect design with large memory space and storage to meet some specific HPC applications like life science, some CE applications, and physical chemistry applications, etc. Besides of all the machines, what we are offering for the HPC and AI market, Inspur always dedicates to provide a full stack solution for the customers with the high-end and well-known product like the leading parallel cluster file systems, BGFS. In 2019, our T-Store 3000 storage solution enabled with BGFS used to rank top 5 in IO 500 list. As I mentioned in the previous page, in addition to a wide range of hardware, Inspur has also developed a variety of efficient tool software for AI and HPC users, such as this one, AI Station. It is an AI development and management platform independently developed by Inspur. It is oriented to deep learning development scenarios. AI Station can realize the polling management of GPU server and GPU cards and display real-time statistical analysis of resource usage status and GPU usage. For example, the CPU utilization, network I/O, IV traffic, node workload, and the GPU performance monitoring, GPU utilization, memory utilization, clock frequency, and power consumption, temperature, and so on. And also can monitor storage system. Development users can apply for resources and dynamically allocate them as needed. Based on GPU resource polling management and GPU fine-grained allocation strategy, AI Station realizes GPU cards, sharing within multiple users, and uses the task hosting mechanism to make full use of idle time of the system, increasing the average utilization rate of computing resources up to more than 90%. AI Station can manage personal data and development data sites and supports data sharing and collaboration. Also can set different download permissions to ensure data security. For the AI inference scenario, AI Station can implement agile deployment of inference service resources, support unified scheduling of multi-source models, and shorten model deployment time from days to minutes, which will effectively help the users easily deploy AI inference tasks. AI Station supports testing before the new model is released, verifies the validity of the model in actual scenarios that can guarantee the safety and reliability of inference services and avoid the cluster load pressure caused by traffic switching. AI Station inference platform can support on-premise deployment and also can be deployed in private or public cloud. Today, I will also share some information about our next generation GPU products that we have launched at last month, which are optimized for various applications and fully supports the newest NVIDIA Ampere architecture. Inspur next generation servers support up to 8 or 16 NVIDIA A100 Tensor Core GPUs with unprecedented computing performance and flexibility for all the AI workloads by delivering tremendous GPU P2P connection bandwidth up to 600 gigabytes per second. The first one from the left side, and also the first product that will go to the market very soon is NF5488M5, utilizing 8 A100 GPUs in 4U chassis equipped with 2 Intel Cascade Lake processors. The second one, NF5488A5, supports 8 A100 GPUs with the 3rd generation NVLink and 2 PCIe Gen 4 CPUs, also in 4U chassis, providing users with high bandwidth data communication. The third one, NF5488M6, is a highly optimized system for HPC and AI computing users that will integrate 8 A100 GPUs with the next generation NVSwitch technology and next-gen mainstream CPUs. The next one, NF5688M6, boasts the ultimate scalability and can support 8 A100 GPUs, accommodates more than 10 PCIe Gen 4 devices, and brings a balanced ratio of GPUs, and NVMe storage, and Mellanox InfiniBand network. The last one, NF5888M6, can support 16 A100 GPUs via next-generation NVSwitch technology in an 8U space, which probably could be one of the future most powerful AI computing server. Thanks for your time for listening my presentation. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me or our salesperson or leave a message on our website. Thank you.